Before you pay for Midjourney, stop right here, because most people choose the wrong plan and end up wasting money. The surprising truth is that the best Midjourney plan depends entirely on how often and how seriously you use AI art. Midjourney is an AI image generator that creates art from text prompts. You type what you want to see, and within seconds, it produces stunning images. It is popular with designers, content creators, and marketers who need visuals fast. Midjourney offers different subscription tiers. The basic plan is designed for casual users. It allows limited fast image generations each month. Once you use them, your image is processed slowly. The standard plan gives you more fast time and access to private generations. The Pro plan is for heavy users who generate hundreds or thousands of images monthly, often for commercial work. Most people get this wrong, but here's why. They overestimate how much they will create. If you only generate a few images a week, the basic plan is enough. If you're running a business or selling designs, the standard or Pro plan saves time and frustration. One important detail is fast versus relax mode. Fast mode generates images quickly, but uses your monthly allowance. Relax mode is slower, but unlimited on higher plans. You won't believe what happens next when users switch to relax mode. They stop worrying about limits and experiment more creatively. Commercial usage rights depend on your subscription. Paid plans allow you to use images for business. This is critical for freelancers and brands. So, which plan is right? Casual hobbyists should choose the lowest tier. Content creators and small businesses benefit most from the standard plan. Agencies and powered users need the Pro plan. The surprising truth about Midjourney pricing is that choosing based on your real usage saves you money and stress. If this comparison helped you, subscribe for more honest AI tool reviews.